Hey developers, welcome to the Channel Tech in 60 Academy. If you want to learn modern CSS, front-end development, UI design, website animations, real-world coding tricks, then you're in the right place. Here we learn one powerful front-end trick every single day, so subscribe now and let's become better front-end developers together. Want to learn CSS from scratch and start building modern websites? Then this video is for you. Today you'll learn what CSS, how to style websites, colors, fonts, spacing, Flexbox, animations, hover effects, responsive design, modern UI tricks. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core fundamentals of CSS. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. HTML creates the structure of a website, but CSS makes it beautiful. Without CSS, websites look plain and boring. With CSS, you can create modern websites like YouTube, Instagram, Netflix. Apple Style UIs, how to add CSS. We can add CSS in 3 ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS, first inline CSS, h1, tag, style, equal to, color, red, hello. Second internal CSS, style tag, h1, tag, color, blue. Third external CSS, create a style.css in same package, link, rel, a style sheet, href, equal to style.css. External CSS is the best and most professional method. CSS Syntax. CSS has 3 parts: selector, property, value, h1, tag, color, green. Here, h1 is the selector, color is the property, cyan is the value. Colors in CSS. Now let's add colors. h1, tag, color red. You can also use hex colors, RGB, RGBA, background, #1, 11827. Modern websites mostly use dark themes and gradients, fonts and texts. Now let's style text. h1, tag, font size, 40 pixels, font family, Poppins, font weight, bold, text align, center. This controls size, font style, thickness, alignment, margin and padding. This is one of the most important CSS concepts. Margin creates space outside the element. Padding creates space inside the element. Box, margin, 20 pixel. Padding, 20 pixel. Almost every website uses margin and padding everywhere. Width and height, box width, 200 pixels. Height, 200 pixels. This controls the size of elements. Border and border radius. Box border, 2 pixels solid blue. Border radius, 20 pixels. Border radius creates rounded corners. Rounded UI looks modern and premium. Flexbox. Now let's learn Flexbox. This is super important. Flexbox helps align items easily. Container, display, flex. Now elements appear side by side. Align center, container. Display, flex. Justify content, center. Align items, center. Justify content controls horizontal alignment. Align items controls vertical alignment. Space between, justify content. Space between, this creates equal spacing. Flexbox is used in navbars, cards, layouts, dashboards, hover effects. Now let's make websites interactive. Button, hover, background color, purple. When hovering, the button changes color. This is called a hover effect. Transitions. Without transition, changes look instant and rough. Transition, 0.3 seconds. This creates smooth animations. Transform scale, transform, scale, 1.1. This zooms the element smoothly. Modern websites use this effect everywhere. CSS Animations. Now let's create real animations. Keyframes, move, from, transform, translate, x, 0, to, transform, translate x, 200 pixels. Apply animation, box, Animation. Move 2 seconds infinite. This moves the element continuously. Glassmorphism UI. One of the most popular modern UI styles. Glass. Background. RGBA. 255, 255, 255, 0.1. Backdrop filter. Blur 10 pixel. Border radius 20 pixel. This creates a glass-like effect. Responsive design. Websites must work on mobile devices too. Font size clamp. 24 pixel, 5 viewport, 60 pixel. This automatically adjusts text size based on screen width. Final mini project. Now let's combine everything. Create one card, padding, 20 pixel border radius, 20 pixel, background, #111827, color, white, transition, 0.3 seconds, card, hover, transform, scale, 1.05. Now we have a modern animated card, outrow, and that's your CSS beginner crash course. Now you understand styling, layouts, animations, hover effects, responsive design, modern UI concepts. The best way to improve now is building projects consistently, like share and subscribe for more front-end development tutorials.